Freelancing means offering your skills and services to clients online and getting paid for it. You don't need a company, an office, or a degree. You just need a skill, even a basic one, and a way to show it. And the best part, you can start today. For free. Pick a beginner-friendly skill. Here are 3 in-demand skills you can learn and offer without spending a single rupee: Canva design, social media posts, thumbnails, presentations, typing or data entry, basic Microsoft Word, Excel. AI content writing, use ChatGPT to write blogs, product descriptions, bios. All of these are free to learn and use. Use free tools. You don't need expensive software, these free tools are more than enough. Canva.com, for designing anything. ChatGPT, for content help and writing. CapCut or InVideo, for video editing. Google Docs Sheets, for writing or data entry. Pixabay and Pexels, for free images and videos. These tools are trusted, easy, and beginner-friendly. Create a free portfolio. Before clients hire you, they want to see your work. Don't worry, even if you don't have real clients yet, you can make sample work. Example, use Canva to design 3 fake Instagram posts. Write 2 sample blog posts using ChatGPT. Or redesign a logo just for practice. Then upload everything to Google Drive or Behance and create a link to share. That's your free portfolio, and yes, it works. Where to find clients for free? Here are the best free platforms to find freelance work as a beginner: Fiverr, no approval needed. Just create a gig. Upwork, create a free profile, apply to jobs using connects. Facebook groups, join freelancing or business groups and share your offer. LinkedIn, make a profile, post your skills and work samples. Telegram, WhatsApp groups, yes, real clients exist there too. Don't wait for clients to come to you, go out and send proposals. Use this proposal format free. Here's a simple freelance proposal format you can use for free: PGSQL. Copy. Edit. Hi, client name. I just saw your project about task. ID, love to help. I've done similar work recently and I can complete this quickly and professionally. Here's a sample of my work, insert Google Drive link. Let me know if you'd like to work together. So if you're serious about earning online in 2025, start today. Use free tools, build your portfolio, and apply to real jobs. Backhand index pointing down, comment start if you're ready to begin your freelance journey. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Earnify Hacks for more real online earning guides every week. Like red heart, subscribe bell, comment left, speech bubble. Watch next, how to get your first client on Upwork. Earnify.